Here we have a work time logger, which I made for myself. Here you can select the customer and the comment, and when pressing new, it will create a new row with the selected customer and the comment. And then here you can stop the timing, change the comment and the name if you want, and increase and decrease time if needed for some reason. And if you select them, you can check the total. And of course, you can add stuff after. And here we can see I have two rows with the same customer name, and it will only display it once. Then if we select everything, if we want to delete it from the database also, which is Excel in this case, when you select them all, I select them and purge, and then open the logs again, and they are gone.